Welcome to Life History YouTube channel. Here we discuss the biography of famous personality around the world. Today's topic is Pooja Vastrakar. Pooja Vastrakar initially started playing cricket with the boys near her neighborhood in Sabdol, Madhya Pradesh. She later started going to the stadium and practice net batting, where the coach Ashutosh Srivastav realized her talent and started her formal training. She started off as a batter and later on when she joined the Madhya Pradesh team, she started fast bowling alongside her batting. At the age of just 15, she was a part of India Green Women squad. In 2016, while Vastrakar was fielding during a senior women's domestic match, she twisted her knee. This led to her getting surgery done for her anterior crustacean ligament tear, which put her national call-up in jeopardy. The Challenger Trophy in 2018 played a pivotal role in Vastakar's selection for India's South Africa tour. Vastakar's father is a retired employee of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL). Her mother died when she was 10 years old. She has 4 sisters and 2 brothers and is the younger of 7 siblings. She made her women's own one-day international debut for India Women's against South Africa Women on 10 February 2018. She made her Women's T20 international cricket debut for India Women's against South Africa Women on 13 February 2018. In October 2018, she was named in India's squad for ICC Women's World T20 tournament in the West Indies. However, she suffered an injury during a warm-up match and was later ruled out of the tournament. In January 2020, she was named in India's squad for the 2020 T20 World Cup in Australia. In May 2021, she was named in India's Test squad for their one-off match against the England women's cricket team. Vastakar made her Test debut on 16 June 2021 for India against England. In January 2022, she was named in India's team for the 2022 Women's Cricket World Cup in New Zealand. She scored 156 runs, averaging 26, and took 10 wickets, averaging 18.30 in the tournament. In July 2022, she was named in India's team for the cricket tournament at Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. She was named in the India squad for the 2024 ICC Women's T20 World Cup.